There is a famous saying that goes, people will forget what you said. They will forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Now, I want to take it further and say, as a business, your customers will forget what you said. They will forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Think about that. Hello and welcome to the third episode of Digital Launch. My name is Tumelo Mukwena and I am your host. So we are in the second month of 2022, and as we all know it, this is the month of love around the world. And because of that, we have decided to talk about relationships. Business customer relationships. But before we jump into today's topic, I want us to just look at what we were talking about last week. Last week we were talking about how to choose the right platform to set up your business on. And we said that the main deciding factor is where your target customers spend most of their time, right? Your target customers might be in more than one social media platform, but in order for you as someone who is beginning and who don't have enough resources to be able to manage all social media platforms at once, you have to look at the one that they spend most of their time on, right? And also look at how they decide to buy products. If they have to go on Google to search for products when they want to buy for them, you also want to set up your business on that platform. Okay, and another thing is also about your business website is look at what they want to do. How do they want to buy? They want to buy your products at the physical store, or they want to buy online. If they want to buy online, in the very beginning, you want to invest money into building your own website as the business. That's what we talked about last week. So this week, we are talking about 5 ways to build customer relationships on social media platforms. And if you remember the first episode, we talked about the reason why people are on social media, why they are on social media. And we said they are on social media to socialize. And your goal as the business is to build relationships or lasting relationships with your target customers. So now that you have decided on which platform you want to set up your business, or on which social media platform you want to set up your business, the question then is, how do I build, or how do you build these customer relationships? And this question is very important because I have seen so many businesses or so many entrepreneurs create Facebook pages for their business and start posting on those, but quickly get discouraged when they don't see engagement on their social media platforms, and they resort to posting on their own personal profile. And there is a downside on that, because what they don't realize is that people are engaging with them on their own personal profiles because of the time they have spent building those relationships with their Facebook friends, right? Now, it is not all your Facebook friends who are your target market. And so if you just stick on posting about your business on your own personal profile, you are missing out on many other target customers that you could reach because of your Facebook page. Because the thing is, I'm just saying, using Facebook as an example, because any social media platform has the tools, or has been built, and they have tools and resources that help you to reach more people, even beyond your own Facebook friends, even beyond your geographical area. You will be able to reach even more people who are possibly your customers. Okay, so choosing to post on your own personal profile is limiting to you if you want to build a business that's big and sustainable in the long run. Right, so let's address this 5 ways to build customer relationships on social media. The first one is tell the story behind the business. Business is about solving problem. You solve a specific problem for a specific group of people, right? And in identifying that problem, there's always a story. And most of the time, that story is the story that your target customers can relate to. And if at any given time you're trying to build a relationship with anyone, you want them to connect with you at an emotional level. And stories are one way in which you can connect with people at an emotional level, especially in the very beginning. Your very first post, and this is me, no one else says this is me. Start with telling your story. How did this come about? How did you decide that you want to solve this particular problem? What was the reason behind it? Share that story, and as soon as people connect with you, they will definitely start engaging with you, or they'll start feeling like you know them. And truly you'll be knowing them because you're solving a specific problem that's affecting them. Okay, so the second part is post about your products and services. This is the second post on your first time ever on social media. Second post should be about your products or services that you have, how those products or services work, what are their benefits, and share every information that you can about the products or services that you have. Because the thing is, as much as people are looking for solutions, sometimes they don't know how those products work. And you want to be the one who shows them how they work, who educates them about how they work, and go an extra mile to offer any valuable content related to your products or services. Okay, so the third thing is listen to the feedback and engage with them, right? As soon as people start seeing a product that answers the problem that they have, they are going to jump on and buy, right? And that first impression is the one that lasts, hence the code that I started with. First impression lasts, and they will give you feedback. It can be a positive feedback, it can be a negative feedback, but all feedback is valuable in any business, and you have to be there, look at it, engage with them. If they are happy, celebrate with them, enjoy with them, give them discounts for when they come for the next one, right? In that way, you will make them feel valuable. You will make them feel seen. And once they feel seen and feel valued, then they will definitely come back for more. And on top of that, they will tell more of their friends about the products that you have and about the service that you have. So in a case where they're not satisfied with the products that you're offering, you have to make sure that you go above and beyond to resolve whatever issue they have. It is very important. We are in a goal. We are in the business of building lasting relationships with our target customers, or a lasting relationship with our target customers. And we will do, as the business, you have to do whatever it takes to protect that relationship. It is much more easier to protect an existing relationship than to build the new one. And you have to approach business on the digital platforms with that mentality. Okay, protect it at whatever cost. So the fourth one is share their feedback on your social media pages. When people are excited, they share. They want to tell their friends about their experience. They want to tell their friends about how your products are making them feel. They want to share everything. And as soon as they do that, You also want to share their responses. You want to share their feedback on your own social media platforms. The reason behind this is because as people, as human beings, we are social beings. We do what other people are doing. If they are sharing that they are happy and they are excited about how your products are making them feel or they are doing for them, other people would want to buy those products. You know, they would want to buy those products because they are seeing other people buying such products. And I have come to realize that your target customers trust other customers who have used your product, and it will be easy for them to decide to buy from you based on the feedback that they see or they have seen on other customers. So it's important that you share whatever feedback that they are giving to you. All right. So another thing is ask more questions. Ask more questions. The goal, like I said, on the social media platforms, the number one goal as you try to build the relationships is to know more about your target customer. It's not about them knowing more about you. It is you knowing more about them that will put you in a better position to build better products for them. And therefore, once you build more products that are more fitting to their own needs, they will tell other people about your products, and therefore you have a growing community of people that support your business, that are loyal to your business because you are truly addressing their own concerns, you are addressing their own needs, their own problems. So ask as many questions as possible about your products. Even those that are excited, ask them, how does this make you feel? How do you feel wearing it? What's unique about it that's different from any other product that you've used? Ask as many questions as possible, even for those that are not excited, right? Ask them about their expectations, and how your product is not meeting those expectations. And use that information to create better products, to create or provide better customer service to your customers. And I promise you, if you religiously do these 5 things, you will definitely win, right? There's a lot more things that you can do, but today I just wanted to share with you these 5 things, right? If you are to remember anything that I have said, remember this statement, right? Being on social media platforms and pursuing relationships or lasting relationship with your customers takes time, and therefore you need to be patient. You need to be patient. Like with building any relationship, you need to be more patient with your target customers and provide more value. Give more than you ask. Put your customers first. All right? There is a statement again that says the customer is the king, and treat your customers like kings and queens or like royalty, and they will love you forever. I hope that I am still providing you more valuable content, and I'm asking you, if you need us to talk about anything that you're struggling with in your business, let us know. Comment below, send us a DM. We will be happy to address it, or we'll be happy to share the videos that you want, because at this point we're just sharing what we think that you need, and let us know what you need from us. Don't forget that this podcast is made possible by Billboard 21. We are a digital marketing agency, and we are in the business of helping other businesses get more clients online. Until we meet again next week, have a lovely day or week.